Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is JQuery. JQuery is used to enhance the user interface and add dynamic responsive elements to Visualforce pages or Lightning components. Although Salesforce has moved toward modern frameworks like Lightning Web Components and Aura, which don't natively support jQuery, it can still be used in certain scenarios, especially in Visualforce pages or custom Lightning components that use legacy approaches. We can either include jQuery by linking to an external CDN or by uploading the jQuery library as a static resource in Salesforce. So let's see an example that demonstrates a simple Visualforce page with jQuery which hides a message when a button is clicked. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account, and to create the Visualforce page we need to click on setup gear icon, developer console, right click, open link in new tab. So here click on file, new, Visualforce page. So here I am creating the page by the name Visualforce jQuery. Click OK. So in this Visualforce page, Apex page, jQuery from CDN. So here a script is there. Apex form, Apex command button, value equals hide button. On click, hide button method we are calling. Apex form closing, script type equals text oblique JavaScript, function hide button we are calling, dollar button dot hide method. So this should be in this format only. jQuery used to hide the button. So closing the curly brace, script and Apex page. So save the file, click on preview button. So we are seeing here hide button is populating. So click on this. So it is hiding the button. Thank you.